La 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 li la la. La la li la 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 la. Wah. Ay. Why Anna? Rather Selma, she have ads. She have ads. Nothing, brother Ambing. Chop chop. Ibu ko tara lagi ka na iwayo eh. Sweet ng dalawa ah. Sweet na kuno ng dalawa. Isa dalawa, kamo lang si ano, kamo si Inday. Sweet to my sweet, sugar for my honey. Singin, dito ako singin. Isa kay ka-sweet, ano niya day? One more ako singin for ads. Gehen wir draußen lang? Gehen wir kurz draußen? Ich will nur noch mal gucken. Aber Moment, 5 Minuten. Ich muss end machen. Guys, mag-end na tayo, guys. Ambing res. Why Ana wala? It's okay. Dito ako sa'yo. Sengin dupo. Tingnan natin kung 2 hours na ba. Yes, mag 2 hours na tayo, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Inday, maraming salamat. Ambing, thank you. Inday Ana, thank you. Mix at Takindo, thank you. Sengin dupo, maraming salamat. Nisha Sagma, Sis Florenel, maraming salamat. Medari. Sa lahat-lahat na nagpunta sa live ko, thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Good night. Sis Flor, live ka ba? Nag-ikot si Inday. Nag-ikot si Flor. Good night, everyone. Good night, everyone. Chop. Inday, ano kita dire? I-watch kita dire until matulog ko, Inday, okay? I-replay ko lang ang kuanday. I-replay ko lang ang live mo kanina. Host, good night, every two. Good night, every two. I-replay ko yung 2 hours mo kanina, Inday, okay? Until matulog ako, Inday. Okay, bye-bye, sis. Thank you, Ambing. Tomorrow again, okay? Bye. Try ko mamaya, sabi ni Sis Florenel. Sis Flor, ano ka lang kita bukas. Bye-bye. Kailangan ko tumayo at